Hey guys, my name is Natasha Adams and I'm going to be installing 3-point seatbelts in my 73 F-100 today. If you don't know what 3-point seatbelts are, you probably do, you just don't know the name. 3-point seatbelts are exactly what they sound like. They are seatbelts that have 3 points of contact that keep you in your seat. So, for example, these seatbelts I'm going to be installing, which are regular seatbelts, nothing special. Contact is going to be to the floor, to up here, and then over back to the floor where you click it in. Being that this truck is a 1973, that means this thing did not come with 3-point seatbelts like cars do now. It is something that I need to upgrade just for safety. This is the retracting mechanism. So your seatbelt comes out of here, goes in and out right here, and it all balls up in here. So this part is going to be going down here. Once that is on the floor, this part that goes up here is going to be stationed up here, and then you can pull, that will allow you to pull this across your body and click it in to the clicker that is going to be on the other side. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test mount all of this. I'll show you guys, and then tomorrow I'm going to get that plate made. Of course they're Torx. Why would they be anything normal? I'm trying to think of how I'm going to mock this up without taking it off because I need to drive it tomorrow. Vice grips. It is hot out here. It is super hot out here. Sweaty. All I'm doing tonight is actually just testing the angles. So I'm seeing if this right here is straight enough down for that retractor to actually do its job, because these retractors, they won't let you take any more seatbelt out if they're not at the right angle. I think it's like if you flip in a car, it won't let you drop type of deal, which we're not upside down, but it's still a pain in the ass. Finished product, it's going here. It's actually perfect for my height because I'm 5'1", and this is probably the most comfortable seatbelt I have. And it goes all here too. It's kind of twisted for what I'm doing, but yeah, so here we go. We can take it all apart and bring it for fab tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day and the truck's all warmed up. I'm gonna go get these brackets put in.
California's got a reputation that she didn't ask for, and she's waiting for an escape now. That escape is called the 164. Now Casey, she don't want to admit where she is from. And Casey, she wants to run. She's a punk rocker. She don't trust no one. On a South Main bus on and on.
Went to Ace, picked up some paint, and I color matched it by memory. God, I'm good. So before I start painting these, I want to explain to you guys what exactly was done. So these plates were put in. There's one here, one down there that I will show you in a second. There's a nut welded on the other side of this plate so that it can get somewhat of a flush look. I didn't want to have to cut into the actual pillar that much, so we kept it on the outside except for that hole that this bolt is going through. So as you can see, here's that. Then it goes down to the retractor. Same on the other side, the retractor, then up to that. I am holding my breath, so I'm not just breathing all this in like you guys are gonna think that I'm doing. Okay, so it doesn't look half bad. I'd say the best part about having everything red is that masking didn't really matter, but it still does look like hot garbage, so it matches the rest of the truck. Okay, seatbelts are fully in. Let's see if I can get this first try. Oh, yep. So these seatbelts were actually not made for this car, which is why I had to double check them. But this actually, it fits really good. Fits well. I mean, quality. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I am gonna go inside because I am sweating my ass off. But thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. There will be plenty more videos about this truck. There's a lot of stuff to be done. Bye.